Hey guys, welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronika and today I will be making a very special painting inspired by my dream. I had a dream about a beautiful color flow with loads of bubbles and I want to try to paint that. I know it sounds weird, but I had some beautiful vision and I want to try to put it on my canvas. So I will try to make a pour or flip cup, floating flip cup in the middle of my canvas, and then I will get it dry and then I will try to paint some bubbles and hopefully it will work. I chose three lovely colors. I'm using my Arteza colors. These are great because they are in a little container and they are quite easy to squeeze in your cups, and they are also very thick, so you don't have to use that much acrylic colors and you can use more pouring medium, which saves a tiny bit of money, which is great. So the first one which I'm using is called Phthalo. I don't know, sorry. I can't read this, but it's blue. It's very dark blue, and look at this kind of blue, very nice shade of dark blue. Then I'm using this, again, this phthalo green, which is also very nice, like this. And then I'm using this purple, which I mixed from my blue and red, scarlet red. And I'll put the links down in the comments, so if you're interested in these colors you can buy them through the link. And I'm also using my white, titanium white, yep, my Arteza colors. And I'm gonna put my white on my canvas in the beginning, but I also wanted to explain how I made my mixture. I mix my colors with pouring medium. I make my own pouring medium from glue and water. I use Elmer's glue and I use this kind of bottle for that. I use 60% of glue and 40% of water. I mix it well together. And then I mix half part, usually I mix half part of pouring medium and half part of acrylic colors, but this time I didn't have to use that much acrylic colors, so I mixed like 70% of pouring medium and 30% of acrylic colors. And I also put 2 drops of silicone oil in each color, but not in my white. White is my base and my white is a little bit thinner than the rest of my colors, you can see. So let's pour my white in here and I will try to spread it all around my canvas. Like this. Nicely spread it everywhere. But you will mainly need your white in the middle. That's the most important thing, to have your white in the middle. Now it's time to put my colors in my cup. I'm gonna do it, I'm just gonna move this canvas here because I want to show you what I'm doing. Firstly, I will pour a little bit of white on the bottom, then purple, blue, green, now white again, and again the same mix, purple, all of it. You don't want to waste any colors because they are quite expensive. Then blue. I love this blue. It looks darker on the video, but it's a very beautiful shade of dark blue color. Blue and green as well. And white on the top of my colors. All of it. Now I'm gonna make a flip cup, but I want to put my cup in here, and then I will drag. Oh wait, I will put it here and then I will drag it here. So let's do that. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Oh wow, look at these cells. Oh, that's so cool. I love this. Just put some blue in here. And I actually want to keep it like this. Yeah, I don't want to like spread it all around because I wanted to have an interesting middle flow and then like have some bubbles around. But look at this, I have to show you some details. That's so cool. I love this. It looks like some kind of snake or peacock or something like that. That's amazing. I won't use heat gun for this because I would ruin it with heat gun, but look at these amazing cells, the big ones and the small ones. I love these. This looks like two scary eyes. Oh, that's so cool. Well, I'm happy with the result. I'm gonna let it dry and then I will show you what I did with it next. So see you soon.